Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pizza using your microwave oven. This easy method is perfect for a quick snack or a light meal when you are short on time. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need a small pre-made pizza crust, about 1/4 cup of your favorite pizza sauce, and approximately 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Don't forget your preferred toppings, like mini pepperoni or diced bell peppers. Make sure you have a microwave-safe plate ready. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's assemble your pizza. Begin by placing your pre-made pizza crust directly onto a microwave-safe plate. Next, take your pizza sauce and spread it evenly over the crust, leaving a small border around the edge for the crust. Then, generously sprinkle your shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, add your chosen toppings. Remember, less is often more with microwave pizzas to ensure even cooking and a perfectly melted finish. With your pizza assembled, it's time to cook it. Carefully place the plate with your pizza into the microwave oven. Set your microwave to high power and cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. The exact cooking time will depend on your microwave's wattage and the thickness of your toppings. Watch it closely. You want the cheese to be fully melted and slightly bubbly, but not burnt. Overcooking can make the crust tough, so keep an eye on it. Once the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, carefully remove your hot pizza from the microwave. Be cautious, as the plate will be warm. Allow the pizza to cool for about 1 minute before attempting to slice it. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and prevents it from sliding off. You can cut your pizza into 4 or 6 slices, depending on your preference. Now, your quick and delicious microwave pizza is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.